from Luzon to Mindanao to get our new Geely EX2 EV.
Hi guys, this is my first time driving my new EV. Wow, driving like
Pinaka
a pro.
guys, nakapasok kami sa ibang lane, non-cash. Sanded kami, pinapila pa kami ng form para lalagyan doon ng RFID para mag-clear kami.
We're heading to where? To Batangas. First stop. Ready si Google Map. Ready.
First time driving Geely EX2.
Pagamit pa yan. Para dahil hindi na kami mag-stop. Straight na. Okay.
Ayan, pwede na daw tayo.
Let's continue. Ang driver guys.
Yan, umulan. Ang ganda ng guys, ang ganda ng ride. Very responsive yung acceleration.
Welcome to Bagong Lucena. Uy.
Lucena City. Lucena. Tapos yung consume namin is 25%. So 100% na ta. So 100% from Lucena City going to
Naga.
Naga City, 260 kilometers. Itong malakas yung ulan ngayon. Naga City, Camarines Rizal. 264 kilometers. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
See you. See you later. Hi guys. Last night we decided to have stopover here in Lopez, Quezon. Kaya medyo gabihin na medyo late na, tapos umulan pa. Medyo madilim sa daan. So to start the travel, let's check the battery. It's 80%. So nag 100% kami kahapon sa Lucena City. So hanggang dito sa Lopez, Quezon, consume namin 20%. Okay guys,
Head
start na
towards
namin.
MSR Junction, Lopez,
Start
Buena
na kami.
Vista Road, then
See you in
turn
a bit.
left onto MSR Junction,
Hello guys,
Lopez.
so dito na kami sa may Pamplona, Camsur, Camarines Sur. Malapit na siya sa Naga City, niguro na lang kami mag-charge dito. Update guys, sa Pamplona, natanggal yung isang Okay guys, hanggang na muna kami, 60% from 40 yung kanina 42, so nag-charge kami hanggang 18% kasi ano lang sila 7 kilowatt na charger. We're off to Legazpi City, around 100 kilometers from Legazpi City, so doon na rin kami mag-charge. May doon, SM tsaka Ayala. Okay, see you in a while. Morning guys, time check, it's 5:50 in the morning. Kapag charge kami dito sa tinulugan namin, okay naman yung may-ari. Ginamit ko lang yung portable charger. So from 62% Start kami ng charge around 9 p.m. 4:30, chinek ko. 100% na siya. Matnog. Ferryport, Sorsogon. 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Head east
from
on
here.
Maharlika Highway.
Okay, let's go. Ready to go. Paano na kami papasok sa barko from Matnog to Patpat, may Allen Port. Guys, okay, nandito na tayo sa port ng Allen. Nasa Visayas na tayo. So, check natin yung distance between dito hanggang Tacloban City. It's 249 kilometers. Then our battery 79%. So, okay, let's go. See.
Tacloban. We're here now in Tacloban City. Ooh, San Juanico Bridge. Here we are.
Good morning guys, this is our 4th day at Tacloban City, nag-overnight. Nag-start ako mag-charge around mga 12 midnight na. Punta na kami ngayon ng San Ricardo para pasakay ng Toro papuntang Surigao. Nandito pa rin kami sa Tacloban City. Kumain na kami ng breakfast. Kaya pa Seafood Park. Meron silang
Free.
free charging. May charging station dito. Free charging. Mabilis lang. Kasi naka 95% na kami dun sa inistayan namin. Set natin destination. San Ricardo Port. 85 kilometers. Estimated time travel is 3 hours 31 minutes. Okay? See you guys. Hello guys. Dito na tayo sa San Ricardo. So sasakay tayo ng tatawid ng Patas, Surigao City. Actually pagdating kanina meron tayong 51%. Kaya singit tayo sa 6 p.m. na trip. Nasa Surigao na tayo. May port, may Pata Port. And 59. Continue to travel tomorrow. Going to Sidio. Hello, good morning. Day 5. Guys, we're here in Surigao City. Dumating kami ay 11. Side kami na matulog na dito. Yung charging ko, umabot hanggang 91% from 47%. Kaya na kami papuntang Cagayan de Oro, guys. Baka 1 na kami. Tawag ka. Okay, tayo. Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa Cagayan de Oro. We're home. Check is 8:35. Umalis tayo doon ng may 71%.
Cagayan de Oro.
Ayan guys, Cagayan de Oro.
That's instant. Don't you put that? The zone and the set. No matter.